Hello again. Welcome to another Caketastic Cakes video. I'm going to show you today how to make this cute little cow figure with a little bow on her head. It's going to be for a baby shower, for a cow-themed baby shower, and if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Okay, here we go. White gum paste. Make two balls like you're building a snowman. That's all you got to do. I put a lollipop stick. The bottom ball is going to become the body. The top is going to be the head. So pretty obvious there. And what I did was I rolled out a flat little pink oval, and then I flattened out the edges so it wouldn't stick out too much, and then wrapped it around the side of the top ball. That's going to become her little cow snout, I guess you'd call it. I'm using that little smoothie tool, I have no idea what it's called, I should really look that up, to press in and lift up, and I'm creating little cow nostrils out of it. I had left the center of the oval a little bit thicker, that's why I had pressed down also on the edges. So to give it that little lift and it wouldn't show the white through. All I'm doing is using the back end of my pokey tool, very official name, in order to press in to make eye sockets. Alright, so there you go, looking good. Okay, looks kind of like one of those stress squeezy things. But anyway, it'll get better. I'm making ears right now. I took, it's a kind of thicker piece, it's not real thin. And as you can see, made it into like a letter U, but left the inside still intact so I could line it with pink on the inside. I'm using a little piece of spaghetti and harpooned it, and once I put it on there I flattened it and pinched the tips so that it was pointed on the outside and more closed up on the inside. Just do that on both sides. And I put them on the side of the head because I'm going to have a bow sitting on top. You can put them a little higher if you're not going to do that. It's up to you, whatever. Alright, these are going to become the front legs. They're just two cylinders sloped off because they're going to go against her body at the top. And I just made two circles and matching them up mostly with the leg. As you can see, it sticks out a little. I just made it stick out into the back and then cut off the extra since the back is going to not show anyway. Attach it all with a little bit of water on a paintbrush, and there you go. And poof, eyeballs. That was real fast, but I think you guys can handle that part. Just two little balls, sink them into her head. I let them come out a little bit, just makes them a little cuter, I think. More like a toy. I'm working on the back legs here. These are going to be two thicker cylinders, and they're also a little bit shorter. I ended up placing them further back on the body, as you can see, so that the front legs and the back hooves kind of match up. They don't stick out real far. And the same thing as before, just thick black circles attached to the legs to make the hooves. Now I'm attaching spots. All I did was roll it out thin, make circles, and kind of pull on it, wrap it around wherever you want. Put big spots, little spots. They don't have to be circular, whatever you want. So that's just what I did. I'm working on the bow right here. The color had to be hot pink for this girl's cake. That's why the bow is rather bright and startling looking. All I did was take a rectangle, fold it in half, as you can see, and then press down in the center. Just press the two sides in, make sure your bow loops don't collapse. Press it down in the center, just keep working it gently until you get the shape you want. I'm taking a long thin piece, and I just rolled it up like a bandage, just wrapped it around the center, and a little bit of water again to attach it on top of her head. I'm going to add one final touch. She's almost done. You're doing good so far. Just take your time. You can do it. See, I'm being real supportive today. I made ribbons coming off the ends of her bow. Just a rectangle, long, thin rectangle again. I forked the end of it, and I attached one behind the one part of the bow, the other behind the other, and there you go. All done. What you didn't see me do here is I just did add a couple little eyelashes and eyebrows. It's just little pieces of black gum paste. Once again, you guys are smart. You can do it. I believe in you. So anyway, if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Thank you. Bye.